I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing recovery, create a restore point, or export the registry so you can revert if needed. Once done, open Start and run Regedit as administrator. This gives the permissions required. Next, navigate directly to hkey current user /software /classes /clsid because the fix edits shell entries there. Make sure to pause and confirm the backup exists. Then, continue to identify any clsid keys related to the obsolete context menu items. Now you scan clsid branches and look under Shell X and context menu handlers for entries that add items to the right-click menu. Once you find a suspect, export that specific key. This is your safety net. Then either clear its default value or delete the handler subkey to disable the item. Make sure to check hkey classes root for file type specific handlers too, since some items live there. Take your time and confirm each change. Incorrect deletions can remove needed functionality. To apply changes, restart Windows Explorer, open Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, then restart. Once done, test the right-click menu. If the problematic items are gone, you're finished. If the menu returns or new issues appear, restore the exported. Reg file immediately and reevaluate which key you modified. For persistent corruption, run sfc/scano and dism to repair system files, then repeat the safe edit steps. Finally, if nothing helps, use your restore point to revert and seek targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.